This is how to use the set event start date using workflow actions inside of GoHighLevel. So for this example, we're going to be hosting a webinar every single Wednesday. So our trigger is going to be a form submitted. So we're just going to add a filter. Form is email form save. Now for our first action, it's actually going to be the set event start date. Now we have different types that we can use. You can use a custom field. You can use specific date / time. But since we're doing every single Wednesday, we're going to do specific day. And then we're going to do current day of the week. Going to go Wednesday. And then we're going to do it at 7 p.m. every single Wednesday. So our first action underneath the event start time is going to be a wait action. And we're actually going to change this to an event / appointment time. And we're going to start sending this out 2 days before. So now our next action is going to be an SMS. And this is just going to say, we are 2 days away from the Epic Live training. See you there. And then now we'll go in and add another wait. And we'll do this as the event appointment time. And now we're going to send this out 1 day before. And now we're going to add in another SMS that says, so we are 1 day away. Are you ready for the Epic Live training? And then we're going to do another wait. We're going to do event appointment time. And now this one is going to get sent out 10 minutes before. This is going to be an SMS. And this is just going to say, are you in the live room yet? If not, here's a link, www.GoHighLevel.com. And that is it. And we'll publish and save. And that is how to use the set event start dates inside of workflows.